Dad, what are we making?
We're going to make a DIY solar oven. First of all, do you know what DIY stands for? Do it
yourself.
Absolutely. Go to about, I reckon, let's do 20 centimetres.
What are we going to do with the solar oven?
Well, I'm glad you asked. We are going to cook marshmallows.
I love marshmallows.
I know you do. Okay, so now I'm going to cut it.
Oh, that's
Oh
cool.
yeah, so you're gonna, it is cool. So you're gonna wrap this, roll it out.
Yes.
So now we know how much we need. Some hot. Well, that is perfect. Now, so what we're doing today is we're gonna use black. We're gonna put it on the bottom here, and that is going to attract the heat so that makes our solar oven work just the way we want it to. So just trace it along. How about you use some of our, what's this? Blue stick. And why is it called a blue stick?
Because it's blue.
Yes, it is.
How many marshmallows are we going to put in here?
How many? Well, you only need half of one.
No.
What? You reckon you put enough glue on there?
Yeah.
I think you have to. Why don't you place that down for us?
Perfect.
Perfect. So we're going to get this clear wrap and we're going to put it over here. Now we're going to use this beautiful Bostik hot glue gun, which is only for adults to use, okay? So be very careful, so you put it down gently.
Yeah.
Look at that. That is working. What we're going to do now is we're going to make some s'mores. That's what we're going to do now. Do you know what s'mores?
Yes.
What is it?
They're marshmallows.
Well, marshmallows with biscuits. So you get a bicky with chocolate on the bottom of it.
Stick together.
We put our marshmallows on top of our bickies. Now what we're going to do is we're going to close this. Close that so we trap the heat in.
And you can see it from here.
Yeah, how good does it look? Okay, how good does it look?
I can see it.
So can I. We're going to use our hot glue gun, which is only for adults. Ba-dum, ba-dum. And then we've folded the end of our foil like so. Stick it down. We put this nice skewer in.
That's what I was thinking.
Give me 5, brother.
Let's go put it in the sun.
Let's. Now we've got our solar oven back.
Yes.
And we're going to check out how the Melbourne sun has fared. So,
But
ready?
we have to smush it like a sandwich.
We do. Squeeze it. Oh. Okay. Maybe. Oh, yeah.
That looks
Why don't you
real.
take a bite and tell everyone how it tastes? Oh.
It tastes really nice. I love it.
Yes.
I think we should make some more of that.
I think you
Let's
should.
go.
You're getting it all over your face.
No, I love it.
Very good. So good. Visit the Bostik website for more projects.
Down here. Right down here.
Right down here.